And that's just something interesting that I saw. If you look at high altitude balloons, a lot of them when they like, which was that guy that that flat earther, Dwayne Kellum. I think it's him he did like nighttime, and some of them it's very, you have to really put a long exposure on to see stars, and they were quite low, the stars, because if you look at the ones where they don't really change the exposure that much, at a certain altitude the stars just disappear, they vanish.
Yeah.
Almost like it's hologrammed on, you know what I mean?
Right.
Globers destroy flat earth belief system.